Today I'm going to get into something a lot of people struggle with, and it is video editing. Whether you are a pro or just starting out, being able to edit your videos to make it more engaging is going to level up your content. Some people edit within TikTok and Instagram app directly, or on Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, iMovie, or CapCut. But today, let me show you how easy it is with these 4 simple video editing techniques on CapCut. 1. Zooming in. This effect will draw your audience in to watch your video just like this. What you want to do is click your video, and on the right hand side, you will see this diamond shape. Click it. That will create a keyframe. A keyframe is an anchor point for any action that you do. In this instance, this will be where our zoom in starts. Next, you can press play to the point where you want your zoom in to end. And then with 2 fingers, you want to expand the video to how enlarged you want your zoom in to be. And this will automatically create a keyframe for you. To undo this keyframe, say that you want to actually have it here, you can just hover over it and press that diamond shape again. You can get rid of it that way, or say you have your keyframe here and you just press the undo button and it will remove that keyframe. So let me add my zoom in around here. Now if we go to the very start of the video and press play, you will see the slow zoom in effect. If you want the zoom in to be faster or slower, you just need to adjust where your zoom starts and ends so that the keyframes are closer together if you want the zoom in to be faster, or you have the keyframes further apart if you want the zoom in to be a lot slower. 2. A punch in. Instead of a slow zoom, you can use this effect to get a closer angle instantly for more dramatic effect, just like this. With your clip, what you want to do is scroll to the point where you want the punch in or a close up, and then tap the video, and instead of creating a keyframe, we are going to click split. Then with 2 fingers, we will enlarge the video. When you play the video, you will see that at the start, it has this wider angle that we had, and now we have punched in to get a close-up shot instantly instead of this slow zoom like we did before. 3. How to add audio. Sometimes we want to use a popular song or audio from a video that we found on Instagram or TikTok without actually editing within the app, and instead on CapCut. Because sometimes when you add the audio later, the timing can be off, or you don't know how long the video actually is for when you are editing, and it just makes it easier to be able to edit your video with the audio that you want to use. First, we need to find a song or audio that we want to use. If you're scrolling on TikTok and then you find an audio that you want to use, just press and hold on the video, then click download. If the creator has turned downloads off, then you just need to find another video using the audio that you want to use and that they have their downloads on. On Instagram, how we can do this is we click the share button and then we click download. If you can't see this, then the creator has turned downloads off, and you just need to find another video using the sound to be able to download it. It's okay if the video has a watermark because we aren't using the video image, we are only using the sound. Next, we go back into CapCut and click add audio. Here we want to click extract, click the video we just downloaded and tap add. The audio that we want to use is now on our timeline. If you want to turn the original audio of the video off and only hear the audio we added, we just click mute, click audio, and all we hear is the audio we added. Now you can edit the video according to the music or audio. 4. Adding captions. If you have added a voiceover or are talking on camera, adding captions will make your video 10 times more engaging because the audience can follow along with what you are saying. I have my video here where I'm talking, and at the bottom we click captions. Then we click generate. It will take a few seconds for it to load, but when it is done, it has auto-transcribed what is being said in the video. If there are any mistakes in the captions, you can tap on the section and hit the pencil icon. Here you can just write out what it should be saying and make any adjustments in this section. You can also adjust the actual settings of the captions with either using a template from CapCut or adjusting it to your liking with changing the font, the colors, size, and more. It really is just personal preference if you want to customize it. But when you do customize it and adjust it to your liking, you still want to make it as easy to read as possible for the consumer. I hope you found these editing tips useful. Let me know in the comments if you try them out in your videos, or if there are any other video editing techniques you want to learn. Until then, I hope you have a great day. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next one.